I'm currently taking down the knob and tube wire because I don't feel like hitting one of these ceramic tubes with a screw. Now, if I had a light, you could see down here. Took me a minute to remember where this wire ran, and I really don't know why they ran it down here. It could have been run through the basement to that outlet, because there's nothing else over there that had old wire. So I've already put up most of the big pieces of joist reinforcement, but I have the ends to do, and one like 5 foot long one. It's not that the bits are dull, they just don't eject sawdust well. It doesn't help, it's wet sawdust. I'm skipping this one for now because there's some work over here. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. I just want to get these 2x4s out of my way finally. And it would help if I cut the notch big enough. Just using these tiny screws. I knew this was going to happen. Put a screw dead center of one of the old wire holes. I still need to block in the end over here. It's kind of backwards, but it's not structural. Because over here is where it needs to be reinforced. And I'm still not sure what I need to do here. There's only one screw in this one. I don't know what to do with the stairs. I'm kind of thinking I just angle the ceiling. But if I angle the ceiling there, shouldn't this be an angle too?